Hello. Hello. Magandang hapon po sa inyong lahat. I'm Judas Pinas, the chairman and co-founder of Taho Story under the 5 Sam Food Incorporation. Well, and actually today, I want to share with you a story that began with a very humble start. Okay? Isang cup ng taho. Okay, sino ba dito yung nakapag-try na ng taho? Yung iba, yung mga foreigner po natin dito, sino ba nakapag-try na ng silken custard tofu with caramelized syrup? Meron ba? Ako lang? Okay. Sino yung kahit anong sabihin ko, di magtataas ng kamay? Wala? Okay. Well, anyway, yun nga, Taho Story actually started with one simple cup. And so yun nga po, isang cup ng taho, and we grow into something bigger than any of us expected. And actually, a story of a Filipino culture, a Filipino innovation, and a Filipino dreamer who dared to ask question, bakit hindi? Okay? And ayun, and that became more than a question for us. Kasi it became our mindset, our compass, and actually our DNA. Our brand slogan is very simple. Kung nakapag-try na po kayo ng taho namin, hindi siya simple taho lang. Ang produkto po namin is taho with ice cream. Our slogan po is, taho with ice cream, bakit hindi? Okay? And our slogan is, bakit hindi? Because we believe in the potential of the product. It is actually straight out of tradition. For me, or us po, the potential is limitless. Because we believe our heritage food can become modern, exciting, and actually global. Who we are, okay? So, sino ba kami? Actually, when we started Taho Story, way back April 2024, so, sino bang magaling sa math? Science, okay? Kayo sir. We started April 20. Actually, may prize to, Pag nasagot mo kung gaano nakatagal si Taho Story, bibigyan ka namin ng isang care package ng chilled taho. Ang matindi nun, mamaya kasi nandito si David Licauco, bibigyan ka namin ng free jersey ni David Licauco. Okay? May sign pa. So, sino gustong sumagot? We started April 2024. Gaano na po katagal si Taho Story? Sir, yung naka-red. 41 years? Grabe. Parang di pa pinanganak nun. Ma'am, gaano na po katagal? 1 year and? Okay. 1 year and? 1 year and 7 months. Okay, palakpakan natin si ma'am. Yung partner ko, bibigay niya po yung care package and jersey po ni Sir David Licauco. Palakpakan po natin. Mamaya pwede po niyang ipasign doon. Okay? So yun, tama po. We started less than 2 years ago. And hindi kami nagsimula actually as CEO, as chairman, CMO, or CFO. We were just 7 friends. And magkaka-teammates kami. Actually, sa basketball, so sa mga mahihilig mag-basketball dito, mahilig kami sa pagkain, mahilig kami sa ideas, and actually mahilig kami magkwentuhan lang. And lahat ng ideas namin nagsisimula sa isang tanong. Bakit hindi natin subukan? Okay? And ayan. So, eto kami ngayon. And actually, but beyond the 7 founders of Taho Story, meron pang isang tahimik pero napakalalim na dahilan kung bakit nabuo si Taho Story. Me and my wife, Ayen, started together Taho Story with our 6 friends. And ang makikita nyo po, ang pinaka-core ng brand namin ay hindi lang basta galing sa team namin or sa basketball team. It is actually galing dun sa pamilya namin. As you can see po, our daughter, Charlie and Ellie, are the faces of the logo of Taho Story. Kung makikita nyo po yun, yung meron 2 bata and meron magtataho. Okay? Meron poging magtataho na nakasombrero. Okay? So, walaan nyo na lang kung sino yan. And our new product po, the product line of plant-based chilled taho, the face you see there is Gabi. our daughter, na pinanganak lang siya last March 2025. Okay? And so when we say this brand is personal, it really is family. Every cup carries our story. Every cup carries their faces. And actually, every cup carries our hopes. Kasi naniniwala kami, no? And a small ideas became big stories when you choose to start. Kanina, yung nag-opening remarks kami dito, napaka-importante na pag gusto mo magnegosyo, is kailangan mo lang magsimula. It is very important for you to understand the only hindrance kung bakit hindi mo nagagawa isang bagay is natatakot kang mag-start. And just imagine for us kung hindi namin to sinimulan a year ago and 7 months. So wala po kami dito sa stage to tell you our story kung paano po nabuo si Taho Story. The vision and mission of the company. The vision of the company is actually, from day one, malinaw po yung vision namin. To reimagine a Filipino classic, preserve heritage, and make it exciting again for the new generation. Our mission was never to serve a dessert, okay? It was actually to serve joy, to serve community, and to serve opportunity. And the brand is actually built on love for the culture, love for the family, and love for the Filipino identity. Our first cup, kung makikita nyo po, ganito po kami nagsimula. Okay? Actually, to tell you a story, paano po nabuo si Taho na may ice cream. One day, Charlie, one of the founder of Taho Story, our CFO, kasi matatakaw po kami. So, mahilig kami mag-experiment. And one day, habang kumakain kami sa isang buffet restaurant, during that time, I think naghahanap siya ng halo-halo. But doon sa Pinoy dessert section, walang halo-halo eh. Ang nakita niya doon is merong hot classic taho. Sa sobrang takaw ng taon to, nilagyan niya ng ice cream sa ibabaw. And then doon nabuo yung Filipino Affogato. And then that's the time, that's the moment, was the birth of what we know at Taho Story. And actually, itong picture na to, kung nakikita nyo, it represent kung saan kami nagsimula. Pinapakita din ito na kailangan lang meron isang tao na maniwala sa'yo. Merong isang situation, meron isang location na pwedeng magsimula ng spark or pundasyon kung ano yung magiging direction na gusto mong tahakin mo, especially kapag pumasok ka sa isang negosyo. Itong nakikita nyo actually is the image of the first cup and the product tasting. Kasi I remember during that time, bukod sa aming founders, when we conceptualized Taho with ice cream, wala pang ibang nakakapag-try na iba kundi kami lang. And ang ginawa namin, the first branch namin sa Gyudpod UP Diliman, this is actually an incubation center ng founder ng Potato Corner na si Mr. Jose Magsaysay Jr. or the legendary, for us in the franchising industry sa Pilipinas na si Sir Jomag. During that time, kaya po kami napunta dito, si Taho Story po, 1 year and 7 months ago, wala pong tumatanggap sa amin sa SM, Robinson, Ayala Malls. Naniniwala tumatanggap na yung taho na may ice cream, imagine mo, pare. Sino ba naman maglalakas na loob na maggumawa ng produkto na taho tapos lagyan mo ng ice cream? May mga nakapag-try na po ba ng product? Yung iba, weird, tama po? Yung iba, Iyo ba? Iyo? Masarap ba, sir? Masarap? Okay. So, actually, it's a very weird concept, but naniniwala kami, na yung produkto is just something just you need to imagine. And right now, just imagine 89 branches of SM Supermall. At least, meron na po tayong 77 branches sa loob po ng SM nationwide. Okay? And that's the power of belief. Kailangan lang merong maniwala sa weirdong idea mo. At right now, andito kami ngayon sa PhilSME for a simple reason. Baka kasi meron kang one idea na baka nag-hesitant ka na pangsimulan. And actually, alam mo boss, yung katabi mo dyan, lahat kami dito naniniwala na dyan sa isang idea mo, you just need to start it. And baka next year, no? Or next year, magiging successful yung konsepto na nasa utak mo ngayon. And ikaw naman yung nagkikwento ng story mo dito sa stage sa Phil SME. Kaya, okay lang ba? Palakpakan po natin yung mga sarili natin. Okay lang po ba? Palakpakan po natin yung Phil SME Expo po. Okay lang po ba? And yun, heritage is our foundation, innovation is our fuel. Napaka-importante yung innovation sa produkto na nakikita mo ngayon. And we build these flavors, felt familiar but yet modern. That tastes like a childhood but upgraded for today. Imagine, no, yung mga product namin. Ganito po siya. Ito po. Original series, Ubi de Leche, Mango Graham, La Presas, Avocado Loco. We also have Capen Tropico series, may mga Paus Biscop, Mocha Jude, Coffee Gel Mod, Dirty Mat Charlie na taho, and then nilagyan po namin ng ice cream. And then the early branch, when we started, this is the early branch po na binuksan namin sa Gyud Food, meron po sa Makati, may binuksan po tayo sa Sampaloc, and then lumipad agad kami ng Roa City, and then nagbukas po kami sa Tacloban in less than a month or two. Ibig sabihin for us, no, every store proved that something powerful na mahal pa rin ng Pilipino yung taho, basta ginawa mong mas exciting ulit. And during this time, no, nung nag-expand kami, nalaman namin na marami palang parts sa Pilipinas na wala nang nagbebenta ng taho. It saddened us, but at the same time, excite us. Why? Kasi nakita namin na malaki yung oportunidad. And that gave us the confidence to scale. Na magiging parte ng advocacy namin kung paano kami makakatulong sa mga local taho vendors, sa bawat community, sa bawat vendor, sa probinsya, and also sa buong Pilipinas. And soon, sa mga Filipino communities natin sa iba't ibang parte ng mundo. And the question is, why we grow fast? Okay? Actually, for us, no, every time na tinatanong ako na, Jude, paano kayo nakapag-scale ng 225 branches in just 1 year and 7 months? The answer is very simple. Because of the vision, the system, and the story. And pero pang isang napaka-importanteng bagay, and I remember during the first anniversary, 7 months ago, sa Gyud Food UP Diliman, sa unang branch namin with our mentor, Sir Jomag, ang sabi niya lang sa amin, alam nyo anong meron yung team nyo? So actually, meron kayong ang lalakas ng loob nyo. Okay? Kumbaga, you decided to scale your concept in a short period of time. And yung nga yung sinasabi ko, imagine yung lakas ng loob na sasabihin mo sarili mo, okay game, itong gusto kong negosyo, sige, bana tayo, simulan ko na agad to. And then the vision, we always knew where we are heading. Our system, we standardize everything, SOPs, receipts, operation, branding, and a scaled, ready agad. Our story, our partner not just buy a kiosk. They brought the mission, the culture, and the heart. Marami po sa amin, 70% of our franchisee, minsan they sign the contract because of our story. There are times na makikita mo na yung mga franchisee is umiiyak because they have cultural connection with the concept of taho. Na meron kaming isang mga franchisee na umiiyak siya because her father died and ang wish niya is magkaroon sila ng isang taho business. And that's became a dream for her na magkaroon ng negosyo, na maging part kami, taho story, dun sa nagiging journey nila ngayon, and continuously expanding kami on a nationwide basis. And our partners always make sure na nakakonect sila sa amin, especially kung paano namin gusto gawin yung negosyo. That's why purpose creates momentum and momentum builds success. We actually there's RDR na malaking part ng success namin and kaya siya nandito kasi naniniwala kami na wala din sa Tao Story kung wala ding RDR Business Solution. And we're very thankful with Boss RDR. Okay? And as you can see, no, the company expanded to 225 branches nationwide. And because of that foundation, we grow to 225 branches in just 1 year and 7 months. No big investors, no celebrity yet. Wala pa ako. Okay, joke lang. Wala pa si David. Just vision, grit, and Filipino pride. And syempre, no, ako naniniwala ko ang negosyo hindi naman yung smooth sailing eh. There will be crisis, there will be challenges, and there will be hindrance, of course. And makikita nyo po, ayan, our franchise partners, and then, the crisis, dumating siya. The supply crisis. Okay? If you're a franchisor o negosyante ka, for sure, alam mo na merong problem sa supply chain kapag gusto mong i-expand yung negosyo mo. And, in journey namin, walang perpekto. Maniwala ka sa akin, kahit sila Potato Corner, Shawarma Shack, yung mga kilala natin na mga successful na mga brand po, lahat po yan dumaan po sa mga challenges. As demand grow, lumampas kami dun sa supply. Our current supplier cannot cope up with the demand. Delays, shortages, worried franchises, growth at risk. This was one of the toughest seasons. But of course, kailangan meron kang gawin. Because if you believe in your vision, and naniniwala ka sa kung anong gusto mong ma-achieve, and anong kayang gawin ng negosyo or brand mo, gagawin mo lahat para malagpasan yung challenges na yon. That's why the big ship, there's a big ship. In every crisis, may calling for evolution. So we ask again, bakit this time, kung hindi na tayong kayang supplyan ni supplier, bakit hindi na tayo yung gumawa ng sarili nating taho? Okay? Like I said, yung nagsimula po kami, alam namin mag-basketball lang. Ano bang alam namin sa taho? Okay? And this time, the big ship, decision became the turning point for Tao Story. When obstacle block growth, leaders evolve. That's why we launched the plant-based chilled taho. We created something bold, visionary, future-ready, plant-based chilled taho with 15 to 20-day shelf life, high protein, ready to eat, ready for national retail, and ready for export. In short, kami na rin po yung manufacturing company ni Tao Story. We created a different entity and corporation na maging manufacturing supply your ni Tao Story at the same time, magkaroon ng ibang product line bukod dun sa existing premium product po namin. Okay? And during that time, when we launched it, it was very successful for us. Because we already have demand. We already have 225 branches na susuplayan na lang ng manufacturing facility. And the launch of this product is actually a very big opportunity for us because during this evolution, someone saw the vision immediately. Healthy lifestyle advocate, entrepreneur, actor, or celebrity endorser, if you're familiar with Maria Clara. Meron po ba nakapanood dito? Meron po bang may kilala kayo ma'am? Mamaya papa-meet kita sa kanya. Okay? Kay Ginoong, pangalan niya? Si Ginoong Magtataho. O yung mas kilala siya sa screen name na anong pangalan niya ma'am? Tawag sa kanya? Pambansang ano? Pambansang Ginoo. Okay? So, si Pambansang Ginoo. And from Bansang Ginoo to Ginoong Magtataho. He didn't just endorse, he believed in the mission of Tao Story. That's why we signed him as endorser because of his character, Fidel, na nag-resonate doon sa Taho na concept. And that's the time na nakita namin na malaking impact niya sa aming company. And not just an endorser right now, but a brand partner of Tao Story. And during this time, when we're launching, we created something that we can't imagine. Kasi before, imagine for a 1 year and 7 months of less or less than 2 years during this time, is ito pa lang yung panahon na nagta-trial and error ka. Tama po ba? Yung 2 years time sa negosyo, ito pa lang yung panahon na sinusubukan mo kung effective ba o maganda ba yung negosyo mo. But sabi nga ni Sir Jomag, ang lalakas ng loob nyo. You enter into franchising, you expand, and you make sure the support system is nandun. And as you can see, the 120 plus operational branches agad to 200 gave us a monthly retail sales of almost 35 to 58 million. And a yearly potential, if we continuously, this is the expected, to 400 to 1 billion. And as we expand, nakikita namin na yung chilled taho, hindi na lang siya basta supply sa taho with ice cream, na customer can buy chilled taho alone, plant-based, health-based, an alternative, healthy option instead na mag-chichirya ka, pangbaon ng bata is mga cupcake or anything, pwede mong ipabaon sa kanya yung chilled taho natin, which is very healthy, plant-based siya. And as you can see, the potential for a yearly retail sales of 1 billion to 1.7 billion in less than 2 years. The portfolio, combined dessert of chilled taho and taho with ice cream is almost 2 billion retail sales. And katulad nga ng sabi ko, we're just getting started. We are entering into a high payer growth era. Combined dessert value potential is 2 billion yearly retail sales, and this is not actually a dream. This is math, and this is momentum. That Filipino brand deserve a global stage. And for our international roadmap, in less than a year, we already have conversations with a lot of potential partner. You know why? The concept is taho. And most of the Filipino community outside the country, nami-miss po nila yung taho. Sino po ba dito mga OFW nasa ibang bansa? Di ba? For sure po, marami po sa inyo is from time to time, nami-miss. Ang sarap siguro. Kumbaga, meron kong hot taho dito sa Canada, sa Dubai, okay, sa Hong Kong. For sure, may mga nagbebenta na rin. And that's why the scalability for us, for the international roadmap, we have initial conversation with US, Canada, Middle East, Australia, and also Asia Pacific. The first Filipino taho brand ready for export. And we can say Taho Story is the #1 Philippine taho with ice cream, not just in the Philippines, but worldwide. Okay lang ba? Palakpakan natin yon. Actually, alam niyo po kung bakit? Kasi wala pa pong kaparehas ng konsepto namin eh. So it means we can say we're the #1 in the Philippines. And also #1 in the world. Kasi wala pa po kami nakikita na gumagawa din ng taho with ice cream. And kung meron, ma'am, baka hindi ganun kasing lakas ng loob po namin. And kaya ako po sinasabi to, hindi para po ipagyabang. Kaya ako po sinasabi ko, of course, naniniwala po kami when we started Taho Story, from time to time, nakakita po kami ng 20 to 30 different brand na same na po na konsepto. It means hindi po kami kinakabahan doon, but natutuwa po kami na yung konsepto po is nakikilala na rin na hindi lang basta taho, kundi taho na merong ice cream. Okay? And partner with Taho Story. Right now, we're opening our company for strategic partnership. And this is not actually a pitch. This is not an offer, open offer. This is actually not for everyone. But for the first time ever, we wanted, alam naman natin, no, napaka-importante na sa isang negosyo is ginagawa mo siya na meron kang mga partners. Maniwala po kayo sa akin, sa isang negosyo, mahirap po gawin kapag mag-isa ka. Kaya sa sobrang dami namin, naging mas madali po para sa amin. And yun nga po, we're opening our private strategic partnership conversation only here at the Philippine SME. And if you feel aligned with our vision, our growth, scale, nationwide impact, then let's sit down and after this program, pwede po kayong pumunta doon sa booth namin. Sabi nga nila, if you want to go fast, go alone. But if you want to go far, go together and you build with the right people. And for the closing, lagpas na ba ako, sir? Lagpas na, no? Okay. Yan. Okay lang, ano na to, mabilis na lang. 10 minutes and 2 hours. Okay? Okay lang ba? Okay, no? 2 hours pa, no? Actually, for the closing, let me end with this. If a simple cup of taho can become a national brand in just 1 year and 7 months, imagine what your idea can become. Your dream matters, your story matters, and today might be the moment it finally starts. Me and my wife, Ayen, my daughter, Charlie, Ellie, and Gabby, the face of Taho Story, and our Taho Story family, we build this story together. Kaya nga sabi ko, magkikwento lang po ako dito. And today, we hope kayo na andito po ngayon sa PhilSME, you start writing yours. And for that, maraming salamat po and God bless and good afternoon.